gelelim. Sağ kolu radyosunlarla karpal kemiklerin arasındaki karpal boneler var. Bunlar kırılmış ve bakın şurada sakat bakın simsiyah şurası. Kullanamıyor kolunu. Bu kronik bir durum. Bunu toparlamaya çalışacağız bakın şu şekilde.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old.